Alright, so once you open up Microsoft, you want to scroll down a bit to get to that cryptography. Pardon if that's not how you say it. Then, right here where it says classes, you're going to go ahead and right click it. You're going to go to the tab where it says permissions. And as I mentioned, I already did this, but you should have this right here, local service. If you don't have it, all you gotta do is, while this is still highlighted, you're just gonna click add. You're gonna type in local service in all caps, just put it right here, the little box. That's all you gotta do. Don't click nothing, just type it in. Once you type it in, you're gonna hit OK. Once you hit OK, it's gonna pop up right here. And then you're just gonna click it one time. These are gonna be blank. What you're gonna wanna do is where it says full control, just click it one time to allow. It's gonna self-highlight both. You're gonna click the OK button, and then it's just gonna close out the window. Then you wanna just go down to a little Windows tab. Once you had hit OK, you're gonna go to the little windows. You're gonna click the right click and just restart your computer. Once you restart it, it's gonna just close out. Just gonna close out all the windows. You're gonna have your password or PIN. Type it in, give it a try, and that should fix your problem. Comment down below if this helped you out. Hopefully it did, because for the longest, everybody's trying to figure out how to fix that. And luckily, there's been some people on Reddit that luckily they found a way to fix it. Hopefully this video helped you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.